डुमरी प्रखंड में उत्कृष्ट शिक्षा और बेहतरीन अनुशासन का भरोसेमंद और जाना पहचाना नाम है प्रोग्रेसिव पब्लिक स्कूल। सीबीएसई नई दिल्ली से मान्यता प्राप्त प्रोग्रेसिव पब्लिक स्कूल डुमरी उत्कृष्ट शिक्षा और बेहतरीन अनुशासन का एक विश्वसनीय और जाना पहचाना नाम है। यह विद्यालय पिछले लगभग 20 वर्षों से क्षेत्र में उत्कृष्ट शिक्षा का अलख जगा रहा है। स्कूल में फिलवक्त 1500 से अधिक छात्र छात्राएं अध्ययनरत हैं, जिन्हें पढ़ाने के लिए यहां पर कुल 45 योग्य शिक्षित एवं प्रशिक्षित शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं कार्यरत हैं। प्रिंसिपल सरवर अली के अनुसार स्कूल में कम से कम मासिक शुल्क पर बच्चों को समुचित शिक्षा व्यवस्था उपलब्ध कराई जाती है। बकौल प्रिंसिपल, विद्यालय प्रबंधन क्षेत्र के आर्थिक रूप से अक्षम विद्यार्थियों को यथासंभव रियायत देती है और उनमें से कई विद्यार्थियों के लिए मुफ्त शिक्षा का भी प्रबंध करती है। समाज में महिलाओं का लगातार हो रहे शोषण और उत्पीड़न से नाराज कक्षा 10वीं की होनहार छात्रा प्रिंसी कुमारी ने कहा कि वह बड़ी होकर आईएएस अधिकारी बनना चाहती हैं और महिला सशक्तिकरण के लिए काम करना चाहती हैं। एक अन्य छात्रा ज्योत्सना गुप्ता ने कहा कि मानव जीवन में अनुशासन का काफी महत्व होता है। वहीं छात्रा पूजा जायसवाल ने कहा कि वह बड़ी होकर सब इंस्पेक्टर बनना चाहती हैं और समाज सुधार के क्षेत्र में काम करना चाहती हैं। देखें यह विशेष रिपोर्ट।
Myself, Sarwar Ali. I am founder principal of Progressive Public School, डुमरी। इस एरिया का ये बहुत ही पुराना और बच्चों के संस्कार निर्माण, चरित्र निर्माण के लिए पिछले 20 सालों से सेवा देने वाली स्कूल। हमारी इंटायर फैमिली प्रोग्रेसिव पब्लिक स्कूल ने कई कीर्तिमान हासिल किया है। विद्यालय के कई बच्चे नीट क्वालिफाई किए हैं, इंजीनियरिंग में आईआईटी और कई क्षेत्रों में बच्चों ने जाकर इस स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया है, अपने माँ बाप का मान सम्मान और प्रतिष्ठा को बढ़ाया है। हमारा लक्ष्य इस स्कूल और इस क्षेत्र के बच्चों को उच्च शिक्षा की तरफ उसके बेसिक कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करके कम फी में अच्छी क्वालिटी का शिक्षा स्कूल एजुकेशन दे करके बच्चों को निखारना है। इस क्षेत्र के कई गार्जियन हैं जो इस स्कूल के इस कम फी में अपने बच्चों को उच्चतर शिक्षा के लिए आगे भेजे हैं और कई उपलब्धियां हासिल की हैं।
फिलहाल स्कूल में बच्चों की कुल संख्या कितनी है?
अभी हमारे स्कूल में सर अप्रॉक्स 1500 स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
और बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए यहाँ पर कुल कितने शिक्षकों को प्रतिनियुक्त किया गया है?
सर अभी 45 टीचर्स हैं और कुछ जो हैं सो नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ भी हैं, उसकी संख्या भी 30-35 हैं। लगभग 75 स्टाफ स्कूल में हैं जो इन बच्चों के देखरेख के लिए हैं और शिक्षण कार्य के लिए।
क्या विद्यालय में कार्यरत सभी शिक्षक और शिक्षिकाएं प्रशिक्षित हैं?
हाँ सर, सभी सीबीएसई के जो नॉर्म्स हैं, उनके जो बायलॉज हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोगों ने सारे टीचर्स को अपॉइंट किया है।
जिले के सुदूरवर्ती प्रखंड में संचालित इस विद्यालय में जो निर्धन वर्ग के लोग हैं, क्या वैसे अभिभावकों को अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए विद्यालय प्रबंधन के द्वारा इस तरह की कोई रियायत और छूट या फिर कंसेशन दी जाती है?
श्योर सर, इस तरह के हमारे विद्यालय में लगभग 45 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनके फादर्स नहीं हैं। कोविड के टाइम में उनके पिता का देहांत हो गया या उनके जो इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन है, जो बैकग्राउंड है वो काफ़ी पुअर है। ऐसे बच्चों को एक स्पेशल कंसेशन दिया गया है और कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जो है की व्यवस्था भी है। डायरेक्टर जो डॉक्टर शमसुल हक हैं, उनके कंसेंट से विद्यालय ने उन बच्चों को फ्री शिक्षा की व्यवस्था भी की है।
शिक्षा का महत्व को लेकर आप अपने डुमरी प्रखंड की अगर बात की जाए, विभिन्न पंचायतों में जो लोग हैं, जो अभिभावक हैं, जिनके बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं या जो अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, शिक्षा का महत्व विषय को लेकर क्या आप संदेश उन्हें देना चाहेंगे?
सर, इसमें कहना चाहेंगे कि लाइफ इज़ एन एंडलेस जर्नी फिल्ड विद जॉय एंड सेट द इंटेंशन टू फुलफिल योर ड्रीम्स। जीवन एक अनंत सफ़र है, इसे सुखी से भरो और सपनों को पूरा करने का इरादा रखो। इस कोड के तहत हम बच्चों को और यहाँ के गार्जियंस को जो वीकली मंथली जो हम पीटीएम लेते हैं, इस माध्यम से हम उनको बिल्कुल इंस्पायर करते हैं कि शिक्षा के लिए पैसे की कहीं कोई जगह नहीं है। पैसा अगर नहीं भी है, अगर आपकी इरादा बुलंद है, आप अपना अंदर के जो शक्ति है उसको मजबूत बना के रखें, तो आपके बच्चे आप लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करेंगे।
Hello everyone, you are welcome on Loktantra Bharat and Jharkhand TV. Today I am on a trip to Dumri block of Giridih district, and presently I am in a reputed and esteemed English medium school of Dumri, which is a progressive public school. Presently I am inside class 10, and you can see the students of class 10 are sitting in the class. The students of class 10 are sitting in the class, and the class teacher is present here. He is a teacher of mathematics, and by him the students are being taught mathematics here. Let's talk to some of the students of this school first. You please stand up. What's your name?
Princy Kumari.
Princy. From where you are coming, Princy?
Nimya Station Road.
Nimya Ghat Station Road. How far that place is from here?
At least, I think 25 kilometers.
25 kilometers. All right. Do you come to the school daily?
Yeah,
How do you come?
by the bus.
By bus. What you want to be in future? What's your aim of life?
I want to become an IAS officer.
You want to become an IAS officer.
Yes.
Can you full form it?
Yes, Indian Administrative Service.
Indian Administrative Services. Why you have chosen this field?
बिकॉज हमारी सोसाइटी में लड़कियों को इतना धमकाया जा रहा है, उनके साथ इतना गलत हो रहा है। सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, हमारे समाज में जितनी गलतियां हैं, हम उस समाज को सुधारना चाहते हैं। हम जिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में रहेंगे, हम ऐसा चाहते हैं कि वहाँ पे हर कुछ डेवलप्ड है, वहाँ पे लड़कियां डर के ना जिए, वहाँ पे लड़कियों के लिए आवाज़ उठाई जाए, हर गुनाह के लिए वहाँ पे सज़ा मिला जाए।
Well done. You have chosen a very, very good field. May God bless you and may you get success in your future. Thank you very much for talking with me.
थैंक यू।
Let's talk to the another student of this school. You stand up. What's your name?
My name is Jyotsna Gupta.
Jyotsna. What is your father?
My father is a bank manager.
Do you come to the school daily?
Yes, sir, daily.
Do you follow the discipline?
Yes, sir.
How important the discipline is for the student?
Discipline is very necessary because discipline improves the students' study level और also to means कि discipline हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो कि एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट भी बनाए और मीन्स कि पढ़ाई में भी हम लोग के फोकस और डेडिकेशन को भी और आगे बढ़ा सकता है डिसिप्लिन।
Well said. Clap everyone for them. I am talking to some of the students of Progressive Public School Dumri. Let's talk to some more students of this school and through them try to know the academic condition of this school. You please stand up. You come close to me. You see the camera first. What's your name?
Pooja Jaiswal.
Jaiswal, what is your father?
My father is no more.
No more. All right. I'm sorry to ask this. Do you come to the school daily?
Yes, sir.
All right. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
One sister.
One sister. All right. Are you enjoying study?
Yes.
Do you come to the school daily?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. What do you want to be in future?
Sub-inspector.
Sub-inspector. Well done. And do you like games and sports?
Yes.
Which is your favorite game?
Kho-kho.
Kho-kho. Do you play Kho-kho?
Yes.
Very nice. The discipline of this school is good or not?
Good.
Very nice. Clap everyone for her. So I was talking to some of the students of Progressive Public School Dumri, and I am extremely pleased to talk to them. The girls especially of this school are very bold and brave. They have been studying here by heart and soul. Why? Because the teachers of this school are well qualified, trained and laborious. The result and outcome of the teachers of this school are being shown in the students. That's why the students are very confident and bold. I will
talk to some more students of different classes. I will visit there too. You just stay with us, and you are watching the students of Progressive Public School, Dumri. You just stay with us, and let's talk to some more students, and after that I will talk to the teachers also, and after that I will show you some facilities which are being given by the school management to the students here. Thank you. Class 10B. The history teacher is inside the class. The students are waiting of his lecture. But before that, I have requested to the teacher to have some words with me also. Please come. Sir, thank you very much for the time you have been giving to me. What's your good name?
My name is MD Waris Raja.
From where you are, sir?
I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
Are you a teacher of history?
Yes, sir.
How important is history for the students?
History is important to know the past event. It is very important कि students are firstly know that how our previous leader was sacrificed for our countries, and how the sacrifice is important for our countries, and always we are ready to give the sacrifice for our country.
Sir, presently you are teaching a lesson of history which is nationalism in India. Will you please explain this particular lesson?
Yes, sir. Nationalism means राष्ट्रीयता. मतलब कि देश की राष्ट्रीयता ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आप देश में सबसे पहले नहीं, आपके साथ कोई सी तरह का मजहब नहीं है, ना मजहब है, ना भेद है, ना छोटे जाति है, ना बड़े जाति है, आप कुछ नहीं है. आप सबसे पहले देश के नागरिक हैं, और जब आपको देश की जब ज़रूरत है तो आपको हर चीज़ को छोड़ करके अपने देश के लिए आगे आना पड़ेगा.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. I am going to talk to some of your students. Can I go now?
Yes.
All right. Let's talk to the students also of this class. Please come. The students are being taught very well. The teachers are well qualified, very talented and trained also. I have a student of this school which is very promising. Come close, please. What's your name?
My name is Rajiv Kumar.
Rajiv. How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
You study in class 10.
Yes, sir.
Since how long you have been studying in this school?
Since 4 years.
For 4 years.
Yes, sir.
At present, you all students are being taught history.
Yes, sir.
Do you have some knowledge of past?
Yes, sir.
When was India free?
When was?
India, our country, free.
15 August 1947.
15th of August 1947. When did India become a republic country?
Republic.
When do we celebrate Republic Day?
Republic 26 January.
All right. It took some time,
Yes.
but finally you told.
Yes.
All right. Clap for him. Do you know the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi?
Yes, sir. 2 October 1869.
2 October 1869. And you just tell the birth date of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India.
Sorry, sir, but I don't know.
All right, no issue. I will talk to some more students. The students are waiting very eagerly of my arrival. They all want to come on camera, and they all want to talk with me. Are you happy
Yes, sir.
with my arrival?
Yes, sir.
From where you are coming?
Sir, Ishri Bazaar.
Isri Bazar. How far is it from here?
Not much.
Not much. How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Are you satisfied with this school's condition of academy?
Yes, sir.
Who is your best teacher?
Kamal, sir.
Why?
Sir, he teach us very well. Math.
He teaches very well.
Yes, sir.
All right. Presently, you are being taught history.
Yes, sir.
Anything special you have in your memory related to history?
Republic of...
The first Mughal emperor.
No, sir. No.
The first Mughal emperor.
Not yet.
All right. So I am very happy. I talked to many of the students, and most of them have talked with me very, very confidently and boldly. I am in Progressive Public School, Dumri, which is a very, very reputed and esteemed school of Dumri block. Not only Dumri block, but also this school is famous on the ground of good academic condition standard in all over Giridih district. Thank you.
Progressive Public School, Dumri, a very famous and reputed school of Dumri block. I am inside the school campus, and you just please have a look. The beautiful building of this school, you can see the building of this school on your camera. Presently we are on a playground of this school, and with me the principal of this school is also present here. Very large campus, very large ground of Progressive Public School, Dumri. I have talked to some of the students of different classes of this school also earlier. Now I am to talk with the principal of this school, and please come close and let's talk to the principal of this school. Sir, you are welcome on our channel. Since how long you have been serving in this school as a principal?
As a principal, I have been working 20 years. 20 years.
For 20 years.
Yeah,
long experience.
Yeah, I have long experience. I completed my 20 years. I am founder principal of this school.
You are the founder principal of this school. Almost 1500 students study here.
Yeah, approx 1500 students in my school.
Since we are talking on the ground here, playground or playground of the school, so talking about extracurricular activities, games and sports, which types of games and sports are here? Or the school provide the facility of which types of games and sports in the school campus also?
According to CBSE norms and curricular activities is going to be conducted in my school. And ATL lab is also in my school. Students are getting preparation in ATL lab, new robotic things in my school.
How do the students come from different places, far away places to the school?
School avail the bus facilities to the near villagers. They come from bus facilities in my school.
Talking about the other important facilities, like water, toilets, such facilities, what is the condition?
Very nice conditions. So you can see all the things. You will get the facilities are very good, and every day I'm myself also getting the visit and see the condition of everything and providing everything in.
Some achievements of the students you would like to share with our viewers?
Yeah, of course, in this 20 years, I have got lots of achievements in my schools, like students qualify the NEET competition exams, IITs, and they getting the preparation of IAS also. Such kinds of achievements I got in my school.
Very nice. I am also very pleased to visit this school, and I am very happy to talk to some of the students of different classes of this school also. The facilities, the academic condition, all the things are just superb here. More than 40 teachers and some non-teaching staffs also. All the teachers are very well qualified, talented and experienced as well. So the school is a unique one. The students from remote villages come here to study, and they get here good environment also, and that's why the school is a very well known school of Dumri, not only Dumri but also Giridih district. So I am very pleased. You just try to visit to the school, and if you want to get the admission of your kid, please do not waste your most valuable time. Please visit the school. The school is very, very well. Thank you very much.